Introducing EcoPure, the only cleaning and descaling system that cleans the entire brew path of your K-Cup compatible brewer. On the surface, it works just like traditional descaling solutions. Just pour the solution into the water tank, fill the empty bottle with clean water, and add that to the tank as well. From this point on, everything else changes. EcoPure comes with our patented jet washer, which forces the cleaning solution through the exit needle, flushing out residue that tends to add unwanted taste and sediment to your coffee. Now, remove the capsule portion of the jet washer, and 12 high-pressure streams of cleaning solution are sprayed in the brewing chamber to wash out the remnants of coffee which build up over time. The result is a perfectly descaled and clean brewer that will perform like new and once again make great tasting coffee.